Gunshots rang out on Morgan State University's campus during homecoming back in October of 2023. 5 people, including 4 students, were shot.
I was nearby the shooting when it occurred. You know, at the moment, it was very frightening. Nobody knew necessarily where the shots were coming from.
Jared Patterson is a Morgan State senior. He's also on one of the panels for the inaugural conference hosted by Morgan State University's Center for Urban Violence and Crime Reduction.
The student perspective is so important, seeing how this impacts our education. So this is definitely an issue that's at the forefront.
College gun violence has been a growing concern. According to Morgan State University, between 2013 and 2023, there were over 300 instances of gunfire on college campuses. Dr. Vaughn Nebbit is the director of Center for Urban Violence and Crime Reduction. He was asked by the president of Morgan to study this issue.
There was really no research, and we really didn't know much about shootings on college campuses. And so I was like, wow, this is a really rich opportunity for Morgan to kind of lead, intellectually lead an area of develop and lead an area of research.
Presidents from colleges all across the country were invited to come to the 2-day conference. The goal is to discuss what can be done to prevent more shootings from occurring.
We want to start this discussion, right? We want to bring this to the forefront.
At the conference, they discussed everything from prevention strategies, emergency response, policy development, and mental health.
We know that there is not one thing that causes this kind of behavior. And we're wanting to try to, come out of here helping people understand that.
Dr. Anna McFadder is the founding dean of social work at Morgan State. She says it's important to have multiple voices at the table to talk about this issue.
We're going to hear the perspectives, of some of our legislators, the perspectives, of other academics, of police chiefs from other cities, right? And from our young people.
Organizers are hoping to study from what was discussed and have more conferences like this one in the future. In Baltimore, I'm Jonathan Hunter for WMAR 2 News.